Hey guys, Collectability 96 here, and I just got off work a little bit early today, so I did have time to pick up the new 2013 wave of tins. So we got the new Tidal and Burner tins for you guys. So I finally able to open up a new product for you guys, relatively new to the release date. It did release today, but this video will probably come up tomorrow, so sorry about that, but rendering and uploading takes a long time to do. But yeah, anyways, I got both of the tins, and they're really awesome tins, really great promos in these, especially for the Tidal. So yeah, let's open these up. Oops, I just tipped over all my cards on the side. I'm pretty excited myself because I've never done a double tin opening before. And sorry, the camera might be a bit shaky because it is on a tripod on a bunch of books, so it's a bit unstable. So yeah, let's check these out. Alright, so these are the Burner promos, so have a look at that. So there's a secret rare Burner. Really nice art. Really nice as a secret rare. Then we got Blu-ray. Gigant Cowboy. I needed that. Number 40 Gimmick Puppet of Strings. And Fire Fist Bear. I did have an ultra rare, but I did sell that. But yeah. And for the Tidal, they all come with these product info stuff. So check out the Tidal promos. So here's the Tidal as a secret rare. And we got BLS. Alley of Justice Catastrophe, I needed that for my deck too. We got Gustav Max and Fire Fist Bear. So those are the promos for the two tins. And in North America, the packs we get are 2 Lord of Tachyon Galaxies, 2 Abyss Rising, and 1 random Hidden Arsenal. In this one, we got Hidden Arsenal 6. And for the titles, we got another Hidden Arsenal 6. Move those to the side, and these are the Burner packs, and these are the Tidal packs. So yeah, let's start opening them up. Let's go from oldest to newest. So we got Hidden Arsenal 6 first. I did open a box of this. I got Daigusto Spirix, Muster Oracle of Gusto, Gem Knight Amber, Violon Segment, and Violon Spear. So, Abyss Rising. We got Heroic Advance, Fishborg Planter, Snow Dragon, Tripod Fish, Spellbook of Eternity, Heroic Challenger Night Watchman, Heroic Gift, Gravity Blaster, and Grand Arm. Next pack. Snow Dragon, Tripod Fish, Heroic Beast Aberconway, 8 Magician, Emperor of Prophecy, One Shot Wand, Snowman Creator, Fishborg Launcher, and Achacha Chambara. Hopefully we can get at least a holo, because holos are pretty hard to get in tins. So we have Fire King Avatar Runics, Lord of Tachyon Galaxy now, Mermail Abyssia, Fire Formation Kaio, Little Fairy, Rare Battling Boxer Lead Yoke. Ooh, nice, and the ultra rare, we got number 107, Galaxy Eyes Tachyon Dragon. Nice. So we got a holo in this tin, very nice. So Shark Raken, Blizzard Falcon, and a band card. So last pack for the Tidal tin. Or was this Burnerton? I can't remember now. So we got Exceeds Block, Battling Boxer Glassjaw, King of the Feral Imps, Starfish, Ice Beast Zero Fiend, Battling Boxer Headgear, Mimic of Firefist Leopard, and Memory Loss. So we got one holo of that tin. Alright. Oh, this is weird. Okay. So, Hidden Arsenal 6, Gem Knight Amethyst, Steel Swarm Sentinel, Aquamira Illusion, Gishki Noella, and Lava Koto. Abyss Rising. Come on, Abyss Rising. We got Mecha Sea Dragon Placeon, Mermaid Abyss Hildy, House Dustin, Magic Deflector, Mermaid Abyss Spike, and oh wow! I got a super rare Gaga Cowboy to go with my my promo super rare Gaga Cowboy. Wow, wasn't expecting that. If I knew I would have got a Cowboy in a pack, then I wouldn't have bought the Burner Tin, to be honest. Because all I really needed was a Cowboy. So now we have two. Last pack of Abyss Rising. We got Different Dimension, Deep Sea Trench, Historic of Prophecy, Madochi Ticket, Bull Blader, Snowdust Giant, and then Unification, One Shot Wine, Snowman Creator, and Fishborg Launcher. Alright, last few packs. Lower Clockwork Galaxy. So we got Fire Formation Kaio, Mermaid Abyssocia, Parsec the Interstellar Dragon, Fire King Avatar Garunix, Brotherhood of Firefist Buffalo, and then Brotherhood of Firefist Leopard, Tatakawa Knight, Gagaga Win, and Memory Loss. So last pack of Lower Tachyon Galaxy. Hopefully you get something good. Alright, so we got Jewels of the Valiant, Brotherhood of Firefist Wolf, Reacting Dragon Ruler of Pebbles, Bachi Bachi Bachi, Brotherhood of the Firefist Rhino, and nothing. Legendary Atlantean Trident, Mimic, Sonic Warrior, and Shark Fortress. Not bad. So yeah, just as a recap, let me sort through everything here. So for the two secret rares of the Hidden Arsenal, we got Daigusto Sephiroth and Gem Knight Amethyst. And then we pulled a super rare Gagaga Cowboy and a ultra rare number 107 Galaxy Eyes Tachyon Dragon. So one holo per tin. It's not too bad, I guess. And then we got this Spike, it's okay rare. Lead Yoke's okay, I guess. And yeah, so that's all. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked any of the cards you saw and you want to trade or buy, send me a message here on YouTube or check out my eBay page, and I'll have a link to that in the description. So yeah, thanks for watching, and see you guys